This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the steering column and pull the bonnet release handle. Push the safety catch to one side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the floor and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the floor. Pull the oil filler cap from the top of the engine. Working underneath the vehicle, slacken the sump drain plug. Position a suitable container beneath the sump. Fully unscrew the drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. Where applicable, remove the sealing washer from the sump or drain plug. Clean the drain plug and fit a new sealing washer. Mop away any old oil, then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the container under the rear of the engine, then using a filter removal tool, slacken and remove the oil filter. Wipe away any spilled oil and clean the filter sealing area. Lubricate the new filter sealing ring with a little clean engine oil. Screw the new filter into position on the engine. Tighten the filter firmly by hand only, do not use any tools. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of oil to the engine. Add a little at a time, checking the level on the dipstick frequently. Bring the level up to the maximum mark on the dipstick. When the level is correct, fully reinsert the dipstick and securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes while checking for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the low oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as oil circulates through the new oil filter and the engine oil galleries before pressure builds up. Stop the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.